Most people think getting rich is about one big move, winning the lottery, landing a high-paying job, or making a lucky investment. But in reality, wealth is built through small daily habits that compound over time. If you've been wondering how to start improving your financial future, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll share 15 tiny habits that can make you rich. Even if you pick just a few and stick with them, you'll see massive changes. Let's dive in. Tiny habit number 1, pay yourself first. Most people make the mistake of spending first and saving whatever is left over, which usually ends up being nothing. The habit of paying yourself first flips this approach and ensures that you're building wealth before anything else. As soon as you receive your paycheck, set aside a percentage for savings and investments before paying bills or spending on anything else. This guarantees that you're prioritizing your financial future instead of just covering expenses and hoping to save later. You can make this habit even easier by automating your savings so that a portion of your income goes directly into your savings or investment accounts. Over time, this simple habit will help you build a strong financial foundation without feeling like you're making a sacrifice. Tiny habit number 2, eat the frog. Most people start their day by checking emails, scrolling through social media, or tackling easy tasks, but that often leads to procrastination and a lack of real progress. The eat the frog method flips this approach by encouraging you to tackle your hardest, most important task first. By handling your biggest challenge early in the day, you create momentum, reduce stress, and set yourself up for a more productive day. The sooner you complete your most demanding task, the more accomplished and in control you'll feel, leading to better focus and efficiency throughout the day. Tiny habit number 3, read about money for 10 minutes a day. Your financial success is directly linked to your financial knowledge. The more you understand how money works, the better decisions you'll make. That's why making a habit of reading about money for just 10 minutes a day can completely transform your financial future. You don't need to spend hours studying complex financial theories. Instead, focus on small, consistent learning. Read a few pages of a personal finance book, an article on investing, or a blog about budgeting. Over time, this daily habit will increase your financial awareness, help you avoid costly mistakes, and give you the confidence to make smarter money moves. Small efforts compound. Just 10 minutes a day adds up to over 60 hours of financial education a year. That's more than most people ever get. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Tiny habit number 4, the 1% progress rule. Big changes don't happen overnight, and trying to overhaul everything at once often leads to burnout or failure. Instead, focus on getting just 1% better every day. This tiny improvement may seem small at first, but over time, it compounds into massive growth. Whether it's saving a little more, reading a few extra pages, exercising for an extra minute, or learning one new skill, small, consistent efforts create long-term success. The key is progress, not perfection. If you commit to getting just 1% better every day, in a year, you'll be 37 times better than when you started. Keep showing up, keep improving, and watch how these small changes lead to big results. Tiny habit number 5, have lunch with a new person each month. Building strong connections isn't just about networking. It's about genuinely learning from others and expanding your perspective. Making it a habit to have lunch or a meaningful conversation with a new person each month can open doors to new ideas, insights, and opportunities you wouldn't have encountered otherwise. This doesn't have to be a high-pressure business meeting. It could be a colleague, a mentor, someone in your industry, or even a friend of a friend whose story interests you. The key is to engage in thoughtful conversations, ask good questions, and listen. You never know what you'll learn, what advice you'll receive, or what opportunities may come from a simple lunch. The more you connect with others, the more you expand your knowledge, perspective, and potential. Tiny habit number 6. Invest small amounts consistently. Many people think investing requires large amounts of money, but the truth is small. Consistent investments can lead to massive wealth over time. Even if you can only invest $5, $10, or $50 a week over time, thanks to compound interest, those small amounts will turn into something big. Start where you are and be consistent. Tiny habit number 7. Track where every dollar goes. Tracking your expenses gives you control over your money and helps you make smarter financial decisions. Whether you use an app, a spreadsheet, or just a simple notebook, the key is to know exactly how much you're spending and where it's going. This habit makes it easier to spot unnecessary expenses, adjust your budget, and prioritize what truly matters. When you're intentional about your spending, you'll feel more confident and in control of your finances. Tiny habit number 8. Create more than you consume. In today's world, it's easy to fall into the trap of endless consumption, scrolling social media, binge-watching shows, or reading without taking action. While learning is valuable, real growth comes from creating. Instead of just consuming content, start producing. Write, build, design, record, teach, or create something of value. Whether it's starting a blog, launching a side hustle, sharing ideas, or building a skill, creating puts you in control. The people who succeed aren't just spectators, they're contributors. Shift your mindset from passive consumer to active creator, and you'll see more opportunities, growth, and success in every area of your life. Tiny habit number 9. Show gratitude every day. It's easy to focus on what's missing or what's going wrong, but shifting your mindset to appreciate what you already have can completely change your outlook. Practicing gratitude daily helps you feel more positive, reduces stress, and improves decision-making. Take a moment each day to write down or reflect on 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something big, like a supportive friend or a job opportunity, or something small, like a good cup of coffee or a productive morning. The more you focus on what's going right, the more motivated and energized you'll feel to keep moving forward. Tiny habit number 10. Take action before you feel ready. Most people wait until they feel fully prepared, confident, or experienced before starting something new, but that moment rarely comes. The truth is, you'll never feel 100% ready, and waiting too long often leads to missed opportunities. Instead of overthinking, start before you feel completely prepared and learn as you go. Whether it's pursuing a new goal, learning a skill, or making an important decision, progress comes from taking action, not waiting for the perfect moment. Growth happens outside of your comfort zone, and the sooner you start, the faster you'll gain experience, build confidence, and move forward. Tiny habit number 11. Always have a financial goal. Money without a plan tends to disappear quickly. If you don't have a clear financial goal, it's easy to spend impulsively, delay saving, or feel like you're not making progress. Having a specific financial goal gives your money purpose and direction. Your goal could be anything: saving for a house, building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or investing a certain amount by the end of the year. The key is to make it specific and measurable. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I will save $5,000 in the next 12 months by setting aside $417 each month." When you have a clear financial target, your spending and saving decisions become more intentional. It keeps you focused, motivated, and moving toward long-term success. Tiny habit number 12. Simplify decision-making. Every day, you make hundreds of small decisions: what to wear, what to eat, what tasks to tackle first. Over time, this constant decision-making drains your mental energy, leading to fatigue and poor choices. That's why successful people simplify their daily decisions so they can focus on what truly matters. For example, Steve Jobs wore the same outfit daily to eliminate decision fatigue. You can apply this by streamlining repetitive choices, wearing a set outfit for work, meal prepping for the week, or setting a routine for your mornings. The less time you spend on trivial decisions, the more mental energy you'll have for important tasks, problem solving, and long-term planning. Simplifying your choices doesn't mean being boring. It means freeing up your mind to focus on bigger, more impactful decisions. Tiny habit number 13. Stop caring what other people think. One of the biggest obstacles to success is worrying about other people's opinions. Too often, people hold themselves back because they're afraid of being judged, whether it's about their career choices, financial decisions, or personal goals. The truth is, most people are too focused on their own lives to care about yours. When you stop seeking validation from others, you gain the freedom to make the best choices for yourself. Whether it's saving money instead of keeping up with trends, starting a business, or pursuing a new opportunity, your success depends on your decisions, not other people's opinions. At the end of the day, no one else is paying your bills or living your life. Focus on what truly matters to you, and don't let fear of judgment keep you from reaching your full potential. Tiny habit number 14. Automate your savings and investments. One of the biggest reasons people struggle to save money is relying on willpower alone. The more decisions you have to make about your finances, the easier it is to spend instead of save. That's why automating your savings and investments is one of the simplest and most effective ways to build wealth effortlessly. Set up an automatic transfer so a portion of your income goes directly into your savings or investment account before you have a chance to spend it. This ensures you're consistently building your financial future without even thinking about it. The beauty of automation is that it removes the temptation to spend first and save later. Out of sight, out of mind, but growing steadily over time. Tiny habit number 15. Invest in yourself. The best investment you can ever make isn't in stocks, real estate, or a business. It's in yourself. Your knowledge, skills, and mindset directly impact your ability to grow, earn more, and create new opportunities. Investing in yourself can take many forms: reading books, taking courses, developing new skills, attending workshops, or even improving your health and mindset. The more you grow, the more valuable you become, personally and professionally. Unlike material things, self-investment never loses value. The knowledge and skills you gain will continue to benefit you for a lifetime. Prioritize learning, improving, and becoming the best version of yourself. It's a habit that always pays off. And there you have it. Wealth isn't about luck. It's about the tiny habits you build every day. Even small changes can lead to big financial breakthroughs over time. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more insights on money mindsets. And if you're ready for more mindset videos, check out this video right here. See you in the next one.